Good morning, sir.
Hello, Okocha.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Thanks for joining us tonight.
How are you doing?
I am very fine, sir. Please, sir, tell the viewers your name and where you are calling from.
My name is Kenny. I'm calling from America.
Thanks for joining us, sir. We can hear you, sir.
All right. I called not necessarily to talk about the Igbo must go phenomenon going on in Lagos.
Okay.
I don't want to dwell so much on it, but I just want to make a brief contribution to something else which you talked about sometime before this live program.
Okay.
You talked about the Russian flag being carried by people during the protests in northern Nigeria.
Okay.
All right. First of all, my view on that is when you watch, you will see that those carrying those flags, they were young kids.
Okay.
They are not adults.
Okay.
They are young kids. You call them teenagers. Some of them are still under 12. Some of them under 10. Some of them, none of them is a full-blown adult, or less their stature is deceiving my sight.
Okay.
But if their stature is not deceiving my sight, I can categorically say that those people are kids.
That is right.
Teenagers.
That is right.
So if they are kids and teenagers, it means that somebody gave them those flags.
That is right.
And then the question is, who gave them those flags? So those kids, they don't know what is Russian flag. They don't know, even some of them don't even know, because some of them are illiterates. I'm sorry to use that word. So they don't know why they're carrying the flag. So somebody gave them that flag. So looking from that perspective, you will ask, what is the agenda of those who gave that flag? Is their agenda positive or negative? So based on this question, whether it's positive or negative, I have two responses to give to that. And I believe that is from the angle the security agencies are looking at it. The security chiefs that had meeting with Tinubu today, that's where they're looking from it. And I want also to repeat this, that it's not Tinubu necessarily that decided to stand up immediately to attack those carrying those flags. Somebody, external body, pushed Tinubu to do that. And who were those people? US. And some NATO countries, NATO, those Western countries that belong to NATO. So the reasons, as I said, for me, the reasons are two. Number one, let me start from a local reason, which I call local reason, Nigerian reason. Nigerian reason, I see it from the point of view that because you remember that sometimes they say that the insecurity in the north is being sponsored by politicians. I hope you must have heard that before, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the north is close to Niger. And while before the military took over in Niger, insecurity was ravaging Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali, and so forth, despite the huge presence of the military of US, UK, France, and others. So insecurity was there, which means those insecurity, according to international observation, those insecurities were created in order to carry out activities. So with the military takeover, US was expelled, British was expelled, German was expelled, French was expelled. So French, they were also expelled. So when they were expelled, the Wagner group, remember Wagner is from Russia.
Russia.
They came and then took over the security alongside a joint security with the Niger, Mali, and others as regards insecurity. So what does it mean? The Russians under that Wagner group are fighting the insecurity, which believed was created by this Western world. So those, I believe, intelligence has revealed that those that gave those kids, they are anti-political elements who were sponsoring insecurity in the north. So they need the cleansing of the Wagner groups from Russia to assist them, which is also a direct fight to the politicians who are sponsoring insecurity in the north. So that was why immediately they saw the flag. Don't think that it's only Tinubu that was upset. Even those opposition, those top politicians who were anti-Tinubu government in the north, they united immediately to fight that, including Shetima, because Shetima is being fingered as one of them. So they wouldn't like that, because calling on Russia is just like the same thing. Wagner come so that we expose those who are sponsoring insecurity in the north. So that is a local reason, number one, why they have to immediately rise up to the occasion. And maybe this might unite Tinubu and some northern politicians who are planning to bring Tinubu down. So this might unite them together again, because they are friends in crime. So it might unite them again. Because when this insecurity was created in 2015 with Chibok girls and blah, 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 Tinubu was away. He was in APC. So let me stop it that way. Then the second reason is international, which I have already touched in my discussion and the process of discussing it. So the international part of it is that Putin, or call it Russia, is a threat. Right now is a threat. Burkina Faso has a tie. They are having serious romance with Putin. Mali, serious romance with Russia, Putin. Niger, serious romance with Putin. And all these countries I have mentioned to the Western countries, including US, they are distanced from these people I'm talking about. So, and America and France and co, they don't want to go far from Africa. They want to remain stand still, no, stand by. And where will they stand? They have to stand around West Africa, around the Sahel, through the assistance of the ECOWAS chairman, which is Tinubu. So they have to stand by. And for you to allow them, because of this, to come into Nigeria is a problem. They will not allow that. So I am thinking that Tinubu might get reconciled with the northern politicians with this Russian flag. So that's what I'm thinking.
Wow, 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 wow. That is so nice. And this is an eye-opening, revelation you have just given to me and to some viewers. I don't know how some people might look at it. Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Have a nice day. That's my contribution for today.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.